Afternoon students, you all are welcome to e-learning class of Oriental Public School. Myself Pankaj Kumar Misra. Today I am here with a video of class 9 Geography lesson 1 part 2. This is the second video. Previously we have read about India, size and its location. Today we are going to read about the concept of latitude and longitude. As you know that this chapter is based on the concept of latitude and longitude. As in our book NCERT, it is given to find out the location of India on the globe. I mean to say world map. Then how can we find out if we don't have the idea of latitude and longitude? So let's begin our topic, that is latitude. Latitude, the imaginary line drawn on the globe from west to east called as the latitude. For this I have drawn a rough map here. This is the globe model of earth. Here it is 0 degree latitude, that is called equator. From equator at 23.5 degree north, this is called Tropic of Cancer. Moving to the bottom, the southern region at 23.5 degree south of the equator, this is Tropic of Capricorn. Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, these are the examples of latitude. I think it's clear. Now moving to the next point, that is longitude, the imaginary line drawn on the globe from north to south called as the longitude. This is 0 degree north to south, this is called 0 degree longitude or 180 degree meridian. Like this we find many lines like this, 180 lines on the globe. These all are the examples of longitude. Our next topic is the shape of the earth. Here I have drawn a rough shape of the earth. This is the shape of the earth. The shape of the earth is spherical. We call our earth having the shape of spherical and sphere. It is 90 degree north pole and 90 degree south pole. Now what is hemisphere? Half of the sphere. As we know, the shape of the earth is spherical or a sphere. So when we divide the earth into two equal halves, that is called hemisphere. As I have drawn here 0 degree latitude, this is equator, and equator divides the earth into two equal halves, that is these are northern halves and southern half. Northern half is called northern hemisphere and southern half is called southern hemisphere. So latitude 0 degree, that is equator, divides the earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Definition of it is also written here. A half of the earth called hemisphere, usually as divided into northern and southern halves by equator, or into western and eastern hemisphere by an imaginary line passing through north and south pole, that is longitude. Longitude, 0 degree longitude, divides the earth into two equal halves. These are western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. So this is western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. This is 0 degree longitude or 180 degree meridian. This divides the earth into two equal halves. This is western half and eastern half. This western half is called western hemisphere and eastern half is called eastern hemisphere. Now our next point, I want to give you some examples of latitudinal lines on the globe. How can we find? So here I have drawn a rough map. In this map or model, I tried to show you some examples of latitudinal line. These are 0 degree equator. This is 0 degree latitude, and above 0 at 23.5 degree north, this is Tropic of Cancer, and at 66.5 degree north another latitudinal line, that is Arctic Circle. Now moving to the southern hemisphere at 23.5 degree south, and a line passes, this is Tropic of Capricorn. At 66.5 degree south, Antarctic Circle. So these all are the examples of latitudinal line. The very important point, to identify latitude on globe, we must have the knowledge of direction. Any line passing from west to east, latitude. Any line passing from north to south, called longitude. Now, what is equator? The equator is an imaginary line drawn halfway between the North Pole and South Pole. It divides the surface into northern and the southern hemisphere. Equator is just like an imaginary line drawn halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole of the surface of Earth. Its work is to divide the Earth into two equal halves, that is northern hemisphere and south. Next point is Tropic of Cancer. It is an imaginary line drawn on the globe at 23 degree 30 minute north of the equator. It is a latitudinal line. Tropic of Cancer is a latitudinal line that passes on the globe at 23 degree and 30 minute north. Next point is Arctic Circle. It is an imaginary line or circle around the earth parallel to the equator at 66 degree 30 minute north of the equator. It is an imaginary line drawn at 66.5 degree north of the equator. Next, Tropic of Capricorn. It is also an imaginary line drawn on the globe at 23 degree 30 minutes south of the equator. It is also a latitudinal line. Antarctic Circle. It is an imaginary circle round the earth parallel to the equator at 66 degree 30 minutes south of the equator. It is an imaginary line that passes on the globe at 66 degree 30 minutes south of the equator. Now, this is the example of longitudinal line, that is prime meridian. Prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. It is a longitudinal line runs from north to south on the globe. Earlier I have told you longitudinal lines always run from north to south. If you have the globe in front of you and whatever the line passing on it from north to south, these all are the examples of longitude. So prime meridian is also one of them. I think this is all about in this video. I think it is clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.